Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Tesla latest price cut. Alright, so today is their earning calls and I guess they didn't make it. They were short on a lot. Alright, so their stock price dropped big time, but we're not going to go into that. We're just going to be looking at the prices that they're dropping for some of the models here. So if we're going to go to the Model 3 for instance. So as you can see right here, this is the rear wheel drive model, $39.99, and it states up here that this model now, anybody that accept delivery after April 18th, they will no longer be available for this full credit, which is a $7,500. This model will now only qualify for half of it, which is $3,750. Reason being is because the battery is made from China. It's the LFP batteries, okay? But look at the performance model, $3,000 price cut. Okay? Right now, $52,990. And this one, you know, the specs for this one is just awesome. 315 range, top speed 162. 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. That's super fast. I tried it, I test drove it, and I loved it, but somehow I ended up with the Model Y. Alright, so going down and you look at the price on the very before you check out, it will tell you if the credit that you're going to be getting, which is $7,500. Full credit for that. Okay, so we're going to go to the Model Y and just see Model Y. Alright, so order now. Look at the Model Y. Now you got 3 variances, and these are all dual motors, and all of the Model Ys qualify for the $7,500 federal tax credit. The top, this one right here, what you're looking at, this is the Model Y that will be coming off of the Austin factory. This is will become equipped with the 4680 battery type. Okay, the range is kind of short, 279, but not that short, and top speed 135, and 0 to 60 is 5 seconds. The next up we have is the Model Y long range, and this is the one that I got back in December of last year for such a high price. All right, so anybody that are looking to buy a vehicle right now, especially with Tesla, and with the like 1 million times that they dropped the price, and now the car itself qualified for the $7,500, and you probably can get it with the $2,000 of the California state rebate as well. So big discount coming. So this one, the range is 330, top speed still 135, but a little bit faster, 0 to 60 4.8 second. But those of you who wanted a Model Y long range, like the comfort of it, you know, you don't want to go with the performance, but you want a faster car, you can add after purchase, after delivery, what you call the acceleration boost, which is $2,000 more, so that would bring up to $51,999, and that would bring down to the top speed 0 to 60 4.2 seconds. All right, so you get half a second for $2,000. So for some of you, might be worth it. Some of you might be not at all. For me, myself, I drive it. I think 4.8 seconds is fast enough. But in the future, if somehow I'm thirsting for faster, I might get the acceleration boost for addition $2,000. All right, and we're going down to the performance model. You get right now it's $53.99. I think it's only $1,000 more than the Model Y. So if anything, this performance model here is such a bargain. Cheap with the specs that it comes with. Top speed here, you're looking at like what, 155. 0 to 60 is only 3.5 seconds. The range is not that bad at all, 303. All right, so if you want, you know, you can buy this and swap it out instead of with the 21 inch. You swap it out with the 20 inch. Better range, you know, better ride. Everything's good. All right, so you can go. These all the Model Ys will come with the 7500, and you can see right here. So, and Tesla, they are they're working on like another project for the Model 3, which it came out 2017. It's about time for them to do a refresh. So eventually, right now there's a lot of leaked images from the internet, but it looks like the new Model 3 will be looking really nice and sleek. Somewhat resemble the Model S from what I can see. And there's going to be a thread that it says they're going to equip with the HW4 hardware, which is better than the hardware that we have now, because Elon stated that any HW3 hardware will not be able to retrofit. So if you're not in a hurry to buy a vehicle, especially a Model 3, you might want to wait until that new redesigned model comes out. I think about another couple of months or so. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So I just wanted to bring it to the news to you guys. So if you guys like the video, please subscribe. Please give a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.